fucking here yelling like they pay the bills.
Oh, Thomas, please don't hit me. Not in front of the children, please. Aha, boy, you better smack the shit out that bitch. Do you guys like having me as your babysitter? Nah, but you got a big booty, though. I'm talking about some beefy bongos. Boy, but I got something for you. Look here. Yo, you brought some gas? Nah, this a bug, shorty. You tweaking. I should smack the shit out you.
All right, bet. What about this right here? What does this mean? Nay, nigga, nay, nigga, 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 nay, nigga, nay,
Yeah.
nigga. Say it.
Nay, nigga, nay, nigga, 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 nigga. Nigga, nay,
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh!
You said nay, nigga, nay, nigga.
Ah!
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. What? Yeah, it's my favorite song. Yeah?
Wow!
Yeah, like that.
You nasty as shit. Shut your ugly ass up, nigga. That's why your mom don't got no legs. Nigga, your mama like a banana foot. She nasty as shit, nigga. Shut your nasty ass up, nigga. What's your dumb ass? You nasty as shit, nigga. Shut up.
Swag like Ohio, down in Ohio. Swag like Ohio, down in Ohio.
That nigga is watching porn. Nah, don't tell you.
The flavors are melting on my teeth.
A number from 1 to 10.
Really?
Yes.
10.
10 seconds of pepper.
He used all his 9 lives.
I'm dead.
Yo, this prank's about to be crazy. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Oh.
And hit. Drive, drive, drive. What the? Oh, I need a toilet. I need a toilet. Oh, I'm not gonna make it.
Oh, look. A dandelion. Must be the last one of the season.
That costume looks sick. What movie are you in?
You're scaring me.
Stupider. I'm an idiot.
Who are you in?
At least I have this. Do you know what this is? This is milk. I don't think you know what it is, because your dad left you. Didn't he? For this milk.
What is this? Oh, so very smooth. Oh, and creamy.
Laranja, acerola e mel. Uma doçura.
Gaming is intense, but cute little baby dick pics. Seriously intense.
Please, please just hear me out, please.
Amarillo, 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 plátano.
Got me mad as shit, so I slapped the bitch. I ain't even hopping the coupe, yeah. The bitch gon' start with the click.
This is my block.
What? You know who I am, bro?
Who the fuck is you?
You don't know who I am? Well, you finna find out.
I actually got an offer from Apple for $5 million for the design, but I turned it down immediately because I know what this is worth, bro.
Trying to be like a piece of you. You know it's this. Take a perk and it's talking this shit. Money.
Sent me a plane that I can't break.
I don't know. That's so cool, though. How would they even do that? A plane that can't...
Shut the fuck
Yo,
up.
motherfucker.
This filter is so realistic it felt like Thor was coming inside of me.